welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are reviewing some skincare products from Pixi by Petra. I bought this kit at the pharmacy about a month ago. It was this little pack here that has the, what is it called? The Peel and Polish Exfoliate product. It has the Glow Tonic and also a Rose Flash Bomb. So before we get started on the video, I'm going to put in a before and after photo. I took a video of my skin without makeup about a month ago, before basically the day I started using it, and I took a little bit of a video this morning before I did my makeup to show you guys what my skin looks like about a month after using all these products. So all three products came in this little kit here, and I've been trying them off and on now for about a month, and I feel like it's about time that I do a review now. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. So in the kit, there's a resurfacing concentrate, the exfoliating toner, and the instant skin booster. So the exfoliating product in the pack is the Peel and Polish. So the claims on the back here are that this Radiance revealing enzyme peel resurfaces for smoother, softer skin and a healthy looking glow. It's supposed to loosen dead skin cells, gently exfoliate, revealing a brighter skin. Oh, so before I forget, this Peel and Polish resurfacing concentrate is paraben free and not tested on animals, and is suitable for all skin types. It is suitable for all skin types, but if you have like super sensitive skin, I would not recommend like massaging it onto your skin. I would just say like apply it and leave it, because like if I have like normal skin to dry skin, and it's like it's pretty fine as well, and there were times when I was rubbing and I was like, okay, I can really feel this. So like if you have like super sensitive skin, I would not like vigorously massage it. And so it says you can use this AM or PM, apply into clean skin, avoiding eye area, leave on for up to 2 minutes. For extra exfoliation, gently massage onto face for 30 seconds, rinse off, pat dry, and then follow with skincare. So this I actually quite enjoyed. This, I honestly can compare the texture to maybe like a really wet sand. Like if you have like ever played with like wet sand at the beach, that kind of texture is what this feels like. So I tried one way where I just applied it on the skin and let it work its magic. I also tried rubbing it on my face very gently just to help exfoliate, and like when you're rubbing the granules on your face, you can really feel the exfoliation, because if you're literally just like, it feels like it's not sand, I know, but it feels like a sand texture, so you can really feel the exfoliation, and it's really quite nice. When I use this, I also use this on my neck and on my chest here just to like make sure everything is like nice and exfoliated. So what's nice about this is that while there is like the manual exfoliation with the granules, there's also some enzymes in here. I think there's some lactic acid and also some papaya extract. Papaya is enzymatic, so what that means is like enzymes, basically what they do on the surface of your skin is that, like, imagine you have like a little Pac-Man. They literally just like go and like eat all of the dead skin cells, so you can just like apply this on your face without any massaging, and it will help like remove dead skin cells. I kind of just like to do like a little bit of massaging just like on areas where I kind of get more breakouts, just to make sure like everything kind of like gets out. I really enjoyed this Peel and Polish resurfacing concentrate. I would definitely repurchase this. I think it's worth the money. So, oh, before I forget, this whole kit was around $20 for all three of them. I think it's a pretty cool way to like discover a new brand, like it was new to me. I'd never tried any Pixi by Petra skincare products or any beauty products by them. So it was a fun way to just like discover the brand. And for me, I would definitely repurchase this type of exfoliator. I like an exfoliator that you can just kind of leave on the skin, and even one that you just kind of like gently massage. I don't like the ones that have like the giant granules that you kind of have to like rub on your face very like vigorously. This, you just like gently massage or just leave on and like rinse off after a few minutes, which I really appreciated. So the next product in the pack is the Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner with 5% glycolic acid, aloe vera, and ginseng. Now, when I think of Pixi by Petra or Pixi Beauty, I think of this Glow Tonic. I feel like for the longest time I've heard so many people talk about Glow Tonic. Whenever anyone mentions Pixi, they mention Glow Tonic. It's like one and the same. So going into this, I had very high expectations for this toner because everyone's always talking about it, everyone's always building it up, so I went in with very high expectations. So the Glow Tonic is paraben free, alcohol free, and not tested on animals. It also says it is suitable for all skin types. I have normal to dry skin, and when I applied this, like I had like the slightest like feeling of like dryness afterwards. I think it's again because I'm comparing it to the NARS hydrating toner, and when I apply that, I don't feel any like, I don't know how to describe this, but you know when you wash your face and you apply the toner, even like the few seconds that it takes to apply the moisturizer, sometimes you can feel like a little bit of tightness. With the NARS hydrating toner, I don't feel that at all. With this, I felt it a little bit. So just putting that out there. I like this toner, I don't love it. I think there's two reasons why. First of all, there was a lot of hype. When I think of Pixi, I think of Glow Tonic. So in my head, I had really hyped this product up. I thought it was going to change my life, etc. And also, I have a toner that I love. I love the NARS hydrating toner. That toner to me is like my holy grail toner. Until I find a better toner, I'm not really gonna switch out. So this toner is good, it's not amazing. That being said, there are tons of people who love Glow Tonic and who swear by it, so it's just personal preference. So what's interesting about this toner is that it has 5% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is used to treat fine lines, dullness, like enlarged pores, blackheads, etc., etc. So I can see why a lot of people would love this product, but for me, I guess, I don't know. I mean, I'll show you like some before and after photos, but I don't see like kapow, kablamo, amazing glowing skin. Like I didn't go into this with super problematic skin. Like maybe it did add like a little extra boost of glow, but I don't know. It wasn't like mind-blowing like I thought it would. It's not a bad product. I just had it hyped up so much in my head that I think I probably went in with unrealistic expectations. So the Glow Tonic also has aloe vera and ginseng and other good ingredients that help hydrate the skin as well, not just exfoliate it. Like I said, I have normal to dry skin, and the idea of exfoliating my face morning and night, like indefinitely, it does not seem like a good plan for me. I mean, I guess it's good because it's like resurfacing in a way and it's helping to, you know, get rid of any fine lines or like enlarged pores, but I don't know, this to me seems like it's a little bit harsh for my skin. That's just my opinion, but I mean, lots of people love the Pixi Glow Tonic. I mean, you go on Instagram, you go on social media, and it's all over. So I think it's just me, I don't know. So the last product from the little kit is this Rose Flash Bomb Instant Skin Booster. This is a 3-in-1 moisturizer, primer, and mask. So this claims to be the Radiance Boosting Balm that is the ultimate pick-me-up for tired, lackluster skin, helping signs of fatigue in a 3-in-1 formula. Like I said, moisturizes, brightens, and revitalizes. Perfect skin prep for pick-me-up. Okay. So this again is suitable for all skin types, paraben-free, and not tested on animals. So this says you can also use this AM and PM, so there's two ways of applying it. Either you can apply a thick layer, leave it on for a few minutes, rinse it off, and then follow with your regular skincare, or you can apply a thin layer and then do your makeup over top. And that's what I did today. I did the thin layer with the foundation, makeup, etc. over top. I have tried both ways several times. In all honesty, I prefer this as a mask over as a Radiance primer. I just find that when I use it as a mask, I kind of see more results. Like I see my skin like more pinky, more radiant, more boosted. I don't know. Like when I use this as a primer, it just feels like a primer. It doesn't feel like it's adding that much. And one thing that I find like kind of weird is that it says that if you use this as a mask, you have to leave it on for a few minutes and then rinse it off. But if you use it as a primer, then you just apply it and leave it and like wear it all day. I don't know, like why do I have to rinse it off if I use it as a mask? But then why can I leave it on if I'm using it as a primer? I don't know, because like usually if you have a mask, you have to rinse off, like you have to rinse it off, like period. So yeah, I don't understand why I can either slather it on and rinse it off or just leave a thin layer on all day. I don't understand. This also has a nice rose scent. If you don't like perfumes, if you don't like the smell of rose, maybe you won't like this as much, but it doesn't bother me. So I really like this as a mask, and it says you can apply it 2 to 3 times a week. I did it like once a week, that was fine for me. Like as a primer, it's just like to help boost glow, I guess. Like it's not a primer that's going to help your foundation last all day, but that's okay because most Radiance primers, things like that, don't necessarily help your makeup last all day. They're kind of just there to help like boost your skin's glow basically. Out of the 3 products, the Glow Tonic is the first one that I ran out of. I'm not sure why. I mean, I used this morning and night like indicated, and then I did this once a week, followed by the mask, and then I did the mask every now and then with my makeup. I still have some of the peel and polish and some of the mask as well. So out of the 3 products, I would repurchase the peel and polish and the Rose Flash Balm. Unfortunately, the Glow Tonic just did not do it for me. I'm not sure why. I think I had it overhyped in my head and I had really high expectations. And like I said, I already have a toner that like I'm in love with. So in order for me to replace my NARS hydrating toner, it's going to take a really, really good toner. And for me right now, this isn't really it. I often wonder when brands have a product in their line that's like the most well-known product, if that's like a blessing and a curse, because obviously when you think of Pixi, you think Glow Tonic. So obviously that's going to bring a lot of traffic in just for the Glow Tonic. But maybe with us being so into the Glow Tonic, we're kind of ignoring some of the other products in the line that maybe are just as good or better. And yeah, that's just a thought that I had, I don't know. But overall, I think this pack was really worth it. Like I said, this was like around 20 bucks before tax, and then plus tax, like 22, 25-ish. I think this is definitely worth the purchase. I would definitely, like, even though I didn't love the toner, it wasn't terrible, like it wasn't bad. So I would definitely say, like, if you are interested in Pixi products, if you want to try any one of these 3 products, you might as well just get the pack because you get to discover like a bunch of other things at the same time. I got this pack because I wanted to discover the Glow Tonic, but I wasn't ready to just purchase like a whole full-size toner. So I'm glad that I got the pack because I got to discover 2 amazing things that I'm going to repurchase. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried any products from Pixi by Petra. Which products have you tried? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Have you tried the Glow Tonic? Do you love them? Do you love it? Sorry. I think I'm the only person that I know who hasn't like fallen in love with the Glow Tonic. I'm weird, I guess. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This isn't super long, but I kind of wanted to get down to the point and just review these products for you guys. I will have a review of some Peter Thomas Roth skincare probably in about a month or so. And I'll also be reviewing some Too Faced products, especially like that hangover line, like, you know, the hydrating coconut, whatever. I will be reviewing those soon. Sorry, I'm having a hard time speaking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope you guys found it informative. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. It's finally Friday. It's the weekend. Yay. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It really means the world to me that you take the time to watch my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed Wednesday's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. If you have any skincare in particular you would like me to do a review on, let me know down in the comments. You know, I haven't purchased a million of these little kits here, but I think this would be good to start just like discovering skincare brands by purchasing little kits. Oh, I have another skincare brand that I'll be reviewing soon, First Aid Beauty. I purchased something similar to this over, I think it was like Boxing Day. So I've been testing those out. So probably in about a week or so, I will be doing another review on skincare. This will be on First Aid Beauty. But if you guys have any other skincare products that you guys would like to have reviewed, let me know down in the comments. That is something that I'd be willing to do for you guys. All right, so that's all I have for you guys for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.